Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Then let's scroll down and localize this version option and find version number. Now we have to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and go back, or actually go to System and Update in this left section. Now we can enter developer options, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. As you can see, this list is quite long. So for example, you can turn on the option to don't keep activities. You can enable the strict mode. Here you can show view updates, for example. You can change window animation scale, show surface updates. Here you've got the options which are connected with the networking overall. And basically, to turn on the feature, you have to simply tap on the switcher on it, and it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on this switcher. And now you can see that most of the developer options will disappear. Moreover, those which stays here are inactive. And basically, after getting back to the System and Update, you can see that the developer option disappears. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step, or actually version number step in this device, and keep tapping on it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.